Hello, my name is Chihiro.
Hello, I'm May.
We are SRA from Japan. It stands for Slice Raw Fish because we love sushi. We focus on the problem that the percentage of young people voting participation rate is very low in Japan. This graph shows only about 32% of teens and people in 20s voted in 2019. Japan's average is 48%, so in comparison, young people's participation is low. This trend is similar in the USA, France, Germany, and England. According to these graphs, the percentage of young people who voted are less than that of the other aged people in all these 5 countries.
What is the solution? What should we do? We made some questions and collected the answers for research. About 90 junior and senior high school students answered. Our survey found that 73% of them are concerned about politics. However, they don't know enough about politics, and that is a new and clear thing.
We want to understand better why young people are not interested in politics and collected surveys from young people. The main reasons are young people do not have the time for discussion and need to access the right information. So we make Polyfish.
Polyfish has 3 aspects. 1. Young people can learn about politics by reading columns about politics that trustworthy adults such as politicians and scholars wrote, and by discussing social or political problems with open chat. 2. They can grow fish with points they collect. This is like a game. Users can save up points if they join discussions or learn. Growing fish and the design will keep young people engaged while using this application. 3. Politicians and scholars have to register to the application so that it can be a reliable service. They can see the discussion of the young people so they can know about what young people care about directly and take those into consideration for their research and actions. In return, they have to write columns that are related to the topic. Another feature is the design. It is pop and cute, so it can make people more interested in politics. Also, we consider color so that people who have a different sense of color can use this application without getting frustrated.
We want many people to use Polyfish because it makes active discussions.
First, we ask some people to play the beta version and get feedback. And then we ask politicians and scholars who care about young people participating in politics to make use of Polyfish, write articles and decide the theme of discussions.
In addition, we recommend young people who belong to political or volunteer groups and suggest schools that want to make their students participate and provide different viewpoints.
Lastly, here is our financial plan.
Our business is non-profit, so we are not in the business to make profit. However, there are ongoing operating costs in maintaining the application and running the business. We plan to raise money in crowdfunding and application fees. We will raise money as needed, currently planning for once a year around March. If there are leftover money, we will donate to UNICEF. This concludes our presentation. We hope Polyfish will encourage young people to participate in politics and make an impact in society.